Welcome to Biotanime.
Disaccharides. A disaccharide is a carbohydrate comprised of two monosaccharides joined together by a glycosidic bond, or glycosidic linkage. Glycosidic bonds are covalent bonds that may form between the hydroxyl groups of two monosaccharides. Synthesis of disaccharides. The chemical process of joining monosaccharide units is referred to as dehydration synthesis since it results in the release of water as a byproduct. Disaccharides are formed by displacing a hydroxyl radical from one monosaccharide and a proton or hydrogen ion from the other monosaccharide and then causing the two monosaccharides to covalently link together. The detached hydroxyl radical and proton will join and form a water molecule. Thus, one way of synthesizing a disaccharide is through the condensation of two monosaccharides. Classifications of disaccharides. Disaccharides may be classified into reducing and non-reducing. Reducing disaccharide. A reducing disaccharide is a disaccharide in which the reducing sugar has a free hemiacetal unit that may serve as a reducing aldehyde group. Examples: maltose and cellobiose. Non-reducing disaccharide. A non-reducing disaccharide is a disaccharide that does not act as a reducing agent. Both monosaccharides that make up the disaccharide do not have a free hemiacetal unit since they bond through an acetal linkage between their anomeric centers. Examples: sucrose and trehalose. Common disaccharides. Most disaccharides are sucrose. Sucrose, common table sugar, is a disaccharide formed by the combination of glucose and fructose. They are linked through a glycosidic linkage between C1 on the glycosyl unit and C2 on the fructosyl unit. Sucrose is digested or broken down into its monosaccharide units through hydrolysis with the help of the enzyme sucrase. Sucrose is extracted from plants. Example: sugar cane and sugar beet, and refined to be marketed as common table sugar. It is used as a sweetening agent in food and beverages. Lactose. Lactose or milk sugar is formed by the combination of glucose and galactose. Lactose is produced naturally and is present in the milk of mammals, including humans. It is collected from bovine to be used in preparing infant formulas. A cow's milk, in particular, has about 4.7% lactose. Lactose is digested or broken down into its monosaccharide units through hydrolysis with the help of the enzyme lactase. People who are lactose intolerant cannot digest or break down lactose. This becomes food for gas-producing gut flora. This could lead to gastrointestinal disturbance and flatulence. Lactose can be converted to lactic acid by the microorganisms, such as lactobacilli, which is used in the food industry. Example in the production of dairy products like yogurt and cheese. Maltose. Maltose or malt sugar is a reducing disaccharide formed when two glucose monomers join together via alpha-1 to 4 glycosidic bond. Thus, it may also be considered as the structural unit of glycogen and starch. Maltose is digested or broken down into its monosaccharide units through hydrolysis with the help of the enzyme maltase. Maltose is commercially used as a sweetener, a nutrient in infant feeding, and in bacteriological culture media. It is also used in pastries. It makes bread dough rise when carbon dioxide is produced and released during the conversion of starch into maltose by reacting the starch with enzymes.
Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share. See you again in a new topic.